Hello friends. If you're over 60 and care about keeping your joints flexible and your heart strong, today's video is going to be an eye-opener. We often hear that nuts are healthy. And while that's mostly true, some nuts can actually worsen inflammation, joint pain, and heart health if not chosen wisely. In this video we'll break down 4 nuts to avoid due to inflammatory fats, high omega-6 or anti-nutrients. 4 nuts to eat regularly, proven to protect your joints and strengthen your heart. And all backed by science, not just trends. Let's begin. 4 nuts you should avoid for joint and heart health. Number 1. Peanuts. Although technically a legume, peanuts are commonly treated as nuts. They're high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when not balanced with omega-3s, can trigger inflammation in the body, especially harmful for arthritic joints and blood vessels. Scientific evidence. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2010, showed that diets high in omega-6 relative to omega-3 increased pro-inflammatory markers like CRP, C-reactive protein. Chronic inflammation damages joint cartilage and promotes atherosclerosis, hardening of arteries. Additional risk. Peanuts are also prone to aflatoxin contamination, a type of mold that affects the liver and can indirectly impair metabolism, worsening systemic inflammation. Number 2. Brazil nuts. In excess. While Brazil nuts contain selenium, beneficial in small amounts, they're extremely dense in this mineral. Too much selenium, selenosis, can cause brittle nails, joint discomfort, and even heart rhythm disturbances. Scientific insight. The NIH Office of Dietary Supplements recommends not exceeding 400 micrograms per day of selenium. Just 2 Brazil nuts can give you over 200 micrograms. Regular overconsumption may stress the joints and increase oxidative stress rather than reduce it. Number 3. Cashews. Cashews are creamy and delicious, but they are high in oxalates, which can accumulate in tissues and trigger joint pain, especially in individuals prone to arthritis or kidney issues. Scientific link. A study in Clinical Rheumatology, 2005, discussed how oxalate-rich diets may aggravate conditions like gout and pseudo-gout, especially in older adults. Additional concern. Cashews also contain a higher carb content than most nuts, potentially spiking blood sugar, which negatively impacts both heart health and inflammation. Number 4. Macadamia nuts. In high quantities. While they have healthy fats, macadamia nuts are extremely calorie-dense and low in protein. Consuming them frequently in large amounts may contribute to weight gain, which puts extra pressure on the knees, hips, and heart. Nutritional insight. 100 grams equals 718 calories. Over time, excess calorie intake without balance can raise cholesterol and reduce insulin sensitivity, harming both joint and heart health. 4 nuts that support joint and heart health. Number 1. Walnuts. The king of anti-inflammatory nuts. Walnuts are rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Great for lubricating joints and protecting the endothelial lining of blood vessels. Scientific evidence. A Harvard study published in Circulation, 2014, found that eating walnuts lowered LDL, bad cholesterol, and improved endothelial function, which is crucial for heart health. Joint protection. Omega-3s help reduce stiffness and joint swelling, especially in people with rheumatoid arthritis, as shown in studies from the Journal of Nutrition. Number 2. Almonds. Nutrient-dense and heart-loving. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects joint cartilage from oxidative damage. They're also great for lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and improving arterial flexibility. Scientific evidence. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, 2015, reported that daily almond consumption improved lipid profiles and reduced belly fat, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Bone benefit. Almonds also provide magnesium and calcium, which help maintain joint strength and prevent bone degradation after 60. Number 3. Pistachios. Heart healthy and blood flow booster. Pistachios contain L-arginine, an amino acid that helps the body produce nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, especially important for heart health. Joint bonus. They're high in polyphenol and carotenoids, which help fight oxidative stress in joint tissues and reduce cartilage breakdown. Study. A 12-week trial in Metabolism Clinical and Experimental showed pistachios improved blood pressure, endothelial function, and cholesterol in adults with metabolic syndrome. Number 4. Hazelnuts. 4 strong joints and a younger heart. Hazelnuts are rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E and folate, all essential nutrients that protect the heart, improve arterial elasticity, and support joint lubrication. Anti-inflammatory effects. Hazelnuts help lower CRP levels, a key inflammation marker. Inflammation is the root cause of joint stiffness and atherosclerosis. Science-backed fact. A study published in Nutrition, Metabolism and Cardiovascular Diseases, 2016, found regular consumption of hazelnuts significantly reduced oxidative stress and blood pressure, both linked to healthier aging joints and heart. Conclusion. How to use this information. So friends, now you know. Not all nuts are created equal. While some can fuel inflammation and joint pain, others act like medicine for your body, helping to keep you mobile, pain-free, and your heart young. Here's what you can do starting today. White heavy checkmark, choose walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and hazelnuts. Crossmark, limit or avoid peanuts, cashews, excess Brazil, and macadamia nuts. Green salad, add nuts to breakfast oats, smoothies, or salads. Man walking, pair with regular movement for better joint fluidity and heart rhythm. Your body after 60 deserves the right kind of care. And nature has provided us powerful tools. Choose wisely, eat mindfully, and live actively. If you found value in this, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips every day. Thanks for watching.